don't know what's wrong with me. I need some wine. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, it's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty. You know what? I've been thinking, okay, this is so random. I've been thinking, I want to be called Elizabeth. Is that weird? I mean, a lot of people are still gonna call me Liz. It's been short, it's been cute, you know, it's quick to the, but I do like Elizabeth. I do. I love my full name. It's more royal, is it not? Because that's where that came from. When I was a kid, everybody called me Queen Elizabeth. Well, as far as my family, I was Queen Elizabeth. And so that's where the whole royal thing started. Like, it started from when I was a kid. So I kind of want to go back to that because there's nothing really royal about Liz. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Here on my channel, should I address myself as, hey Royals, welcome back to my channel, it's Elizabeth. Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel, it's your girl Elizabeth. Dang, it don't roll off the hey Royals, welcome back to my channel, it's your girl Elizabeth, aka Royal Beauty. I like it. No, I don't like that. Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. It's Queen Elizabeth here, aka Royal Beauty. That is not how queens act, okay? Alright. Now that I've gotten my life, let's get into this review. I've been having so much fun today shooting for you guys, and I've got goodies. So I got these two wigs from ZURY Hollywood. I haven't had one wig in one of these pink boxes yet that I didn't like. This is a prime human hair natural mix wig. It is a lace front wig, and the name of it is PM Lace LYNN. And they sent it to me in the color Psalm RT 30/33. It has a deep and wide pre-tweezed part, and it is soft and natural. You know, I like that soft and natural lace. Sorry y'all, but my son just does not want to stay out of my room today, and I'm just not. I'm tired of kicking him out. Like, I love him. Like, can you say no to this face? Look at this face. Ooh. Okay, so it comes in this pink box. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing out. Oh, and if you did not already enter into the giveaway, this video is gonna be up so you guys can check it out. Enter into the giveaway for this unit. This is Biz. Yeah, so just did a video on that. I will link in the description, or I'll post a card so you can click right on it if you would like to enter in the giveaway. But finish watching this video first. So ZURY let me pick this one this time. Ooh, I haven't done a wig this color in a little while. Ooh, she pretty. She pretty long. I knew she was gonna be sexy, but oh god, I like her. She feels good. She feels yucky. That body. All right, so just my first observations, guys. Keep this packaging nice and right and tight. Okay, just my first observation, you guys. The texture of this hair is bomb. It's bomb. Look at these waves. I love the waves. I know y'all catching that. Ooh, seasick. This wig is super duper long. And I can already tell, just like they said, it has soft lace. So the lace is like, ooh, really soft. Y'all, guess the pre-tweezed part? Let me find out. I don't have to do nothing to this wig. Okay. Can y'all see now? That is where the part is. Yep. Y'all already know how I choose to take the lace, cut the lace. I use a razor comb, the ones you can find from the beauty supply store that you use for your eyebrows. I use a little razor, and that's how I shave along the hairline. It gives me a nice, natural, clean cut, and I can see and cut a little bit more precise how I want to. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna do that on camera today because my mannequin head is downstairs in the garage, and I really don't want to go get it right now, so I'm being a little bit lazy, okay? But don't you judge me. Judge not. So I'm not gonna go get it, but I am gonna cut this off of camera, and then I'll be right back and put it on my head so y'all can see what's going on. Before I leave, I'm sorry. So before I leave, it does come with 2 combs on the inside, 1 at the nape. It also has an adjustable strap, but whatever customization that I do other than cutting the lace, I will do on camera, so I will be right back. Okay, my loves, here she is. Yes, Lynn is popping. I like her. Okay, so the color is bomb. The color is bomb. We're gonna talk about here. This is where I'm gonna do some more work. So like I said, I cut the lace off and put her on my head, but it is a middle part right now, but I'm pretty sure you can wear her as a side part. But yeah, so this model has it on as a, and it's long on her too. Look at baby. Look at baby serving. She is cute. Hey, ZURY Hollywood model. Anywho, so yeah, she is serving on this card, and that's exactly how I feel. All the little poses she's doing, that's how I'm feeling right now with this long, luxurious hair. Hey. So anyway, we gotta work on this part and make it work. Back. Ignore my edges. They are natural. I'm an old natural girl under here, so I have to tame these babies. Gotta make them lay down, okay? So we're gonna ignore them. We'll probably throw some baby hairs. This wig does come with baby hairs. I'm just gonna throw this back so it can get out of my way. Y'all know I have this widow's peak to work. So first thing I noticed was it was bumpy up here. So we're gonna put heat on top of this just to make sure that it lays really, really nice and flat. All right, you guys, I am back. So I also did a little bit of moving the wig back, just a little bit past, you know, so that my widow's peak can poke out for a middle part. So what I like to do instead, a lot of times with my widow's peak, is just push it behind my widow's peak. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this Murray's Edge Control Extreme. And I'm just going to, pull the hair back first of all. And I got my curling wand heating up, so we're gonna do that too in a second. So I pull out my widow's peak, here it is, and here is where the lace and my part meet. So I'm gonna pull it right onto the part, and now I'm happy. Like, I'm happy with where that is. Now, another thing that you can do if you're gonna wear this out, that I highly recommend, and I don't have it on me right now, or I do have it, but I'm gonna be doing other wig reviews, so I don't have time to be gluing it down like I'm gonna be wearing it all night when I'm gonna be taking it off. So I'm not gonna do it, but I'm gonna tell you guys a tip is to use Got To Be gel. A lot of y'all are scared of it. Don't be, it actually helps. The yellow version is more tacky, but it shows up white if you're not careful with it, so you want to let it dry clear before you do this if you want to. But if you use the black bottle, you can use it however and it'll still work. You want to use that in your spray, and what you're going to do is make sure that your wig is on where you want it, secure where you want it, because there's nothing worse than only relying on having this lay down and stay down, and the rest of it could easily be pulled back. You're messing with your edges. You're messing with your middle edges. You don't want to do that. Oh, make sure your hair is nice and secure if you're wearing the wig cap, and you have the adjustable strap like I'm doing. Do that. If you're going to be using the combs to keep it secure, do that. If you're sewing it down, do that. But whatever you're doing around the perimeter of the hair other than here, make sure you do that before you do this, because if you pull that thing off, you're kind of messing with right here. And then you can go ahead and make sure you can take like a little rat tail comb or whatever have you, or flip the wig back up in this area. Use the Got To Be, and you're literally gonna put it, and I'm gonna actually use the edge control to kind of give you guys an idea of what I'm talking about. Crazy. So you flip this up in that area, and then you lay your Got To Be right there. So this isn't Got To Be right now, but I'm giving you an example. You lay your Got To Be, right? You lay it there, and then if it's flipped back, then it's even better. So it's out of your way. You can use some clips and just hold it out the way. Spray some Got To Be spray. All right in that area, and then you immediately go ahead and lay this on top and put your finger right there, and then you just hold it. Sing a song to yourself, say the alphabet, I don't know, but just at least for a minute, a good solid minute, holding it in that place so that it stays down. It's tacky, it's nice. You can also use the comb if you don't want to get on your fingers. It's sticky. You hold it right there. That's simple too. You can use the back of your comb. Whatever it is, just put some tension on there and make sure that it lays against your scalp. This is what's going to give you a nice flushed part. This is what seems, okay? It has a nice flow. It's like fusion. It fuses this into your scalp, and it's so good because that is the best thing. you want it to look like it's coming out of your scalp. So you want to do that first before applying heat, doing all the extra stuff, because you want to see it for what it really is. Put up as much as you can. If you don't have a widow's peak, you can still do that method. It's very, very helpful, especially with middle parts. It makes it look more realistic. You want to go in a little bit further now. Right where the part starts, go ahead and split your widow's peak into 2. All right, if you have a widow's peak. I'm going to split my widow's peak into 2, and I'm going to lay them both on each side of the wig. And I'm going to take either got to be, usually it's got to be, so that it doesn't fly off. But before you do the got to be, you even want to lay your edges down with some edge control or mousse before you put the got to be. Nothing worse than putting got to be on top of just some dry baby hairs, and it doesn't really lay it. So lay it first with some edge control. And you see my part is not perfect because I have a widow's peak. My widow's peak is not going to be perfectly split in 2 no matter what I try to do. So I just do the best I can, and I'm fine with that because it looks more natural for me. So my middle part kind of looks like a middle part, but it works for me. Every once in a while I can actually achieve a nice actual split. I'm gonna go ahead and take my comb, and I want all of this to be nice and slick. You see how that's slick, and then this side is frizzy. So lay this down. There you go. Nice and sexy. It's already hot enough for me. So I'm gonna take my heat now. This is my curling wad. It's a Remington. So yeah, so I just put a little bit of heat, and see what that does right there? Already, this side is like lit, ready to go. Boom! So this is the end result after alteration. I don't even feel like putting anything in the part, y'all. I feel like it's fine just the way it is. Sometimes we go kind of overboard thinking we need to do a lot with the part. We really don't need to do a lot with the part. The part's fine. This is a pre-tweeze part. So like I said, this is in the color Som RT 30/33. I love it. I think it's amazing, the color. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see the bottom because it's so long and I'm sitting, but the bottom is this nice, ooh, look at that. It's almost blonde. All right, so yeah, I really like it. It's very subtle. It's not too much. This is beach hair. This is giving me, I don't know what this is giving me, y'all. Tell me, you comment down below what this hair is giving you, because, okay. But I like it. I really enjoy this wig. Thank you so much to ZURY Hollywood for sending me this unit and letting me pick this one, because this one was the color I picked. So I'm really excited that I actually like it. I love you guys so much. Stay royal.